Hi, I'm Justin with TopDon, and in this video, we're going to be showing you how to install your PulseQ home AC EV charger. Now, step one of this process is going to be to make sure that you have a NEMA 1450 plug installed wherever this is going to be mounted. Now, we're not going to talk about that or show that in this video. We don't want to touch that with a 10-foot pole. So make sure that you get with a licensed electrician to start that process if you don't have a plug already set for this. A couple other things you're going to grab are a drill and the appropriate size drill bit, along with a Phillips head screwdriver and the user manual, installation manual. So let's get the installation going. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get the PulseQ here installed on the wall. Now in this particular application, we already have a 240 volt NEMA 1450 outlet installed. So we're going to be utilizing that in the installation. It is worth noting that you can hardwire this unit by removing the plug and connecting it internally. Now that process is outlined in your user's manual. We're not going to cover that today. You also want to consult a licensed electrician when you're doing that process. One thing to keep in mind that when you are figuring out where you're going to mount your unit is that you are tied to the length of this cord. So that's going to have to reach your outlet, so keep that in mind. So what we're going to do now is grab our templates that come, we have a template for the device and then one for the receptacle. These are great because they're sticky back, so we can just put them right on the wall, get our holes laid out, drilled, and ready. So I've already actually placed this. I know exactly where I want it to be. So we're gonna get this up on the wall. We're gonna drill our holes for our wall anchors and then get things installed. Now I have studs on this side, so we're just gonna go ahead and drill a smaller hole into the studs. It's great that we're hitting a stud. It just gives us that much more strength and stability. Now we're going to take the metal wall anchors that are included in your kit and we're going to put them in and get those drove into the holes here. And again, because I've hit studs, we're gonna just put regular screws straight into the studs. Okay, now we're gonna remove the mounting plate from the unit. And to do that, it looks like you need to take these out, but you don't do that. Those are actually washers that slide up. You have to undo the two hand tightened screws on the side of this, like so. And then that's gonna slide down and you can pull this off. We'll set the unit to the side. And then this is what we'll be mounting here on the wall. To mount the unit onto the mounting bracket, we're just going to reverse what we did earlier. We're going to put these in till they slide down. And when it's properly dropped in, these holes will line right up. You'll put your screws back in and it will be secured to the wall. Now we can move over to installing our receptacle. Now we're going to go through and drill our holes for our wall anchors. Okay, so now that we have those drove in, we'll be able to line up our holes here and then insert the receptacle in as well when you're attaching that to the wall. Have it securely on the wall. Now we can go ahead, we've got the unit hung, we've got this hung, we'll go ahead and plug our unit in. Now one of the things I love about our receptacle is that you can store your cord to keep it off the ground so people don't trip over it. Also just keep the cord clean so you're not getting your hands dirty when you go to pick it up. And it stores the handle right there, ready for you the next time you need to charge your vehicle. So there you have it. We've got our EV charger installed and we are ready to start charging our electric vehicle. Thanks for joining us.